Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add eBay reviews to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is eBay reviews. So let's go to sign up for free on the top right. When you're gonna have it, just sign with Google, Facebook, or normal mail. It's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right, then you're going to be in applications and you just want to write in the search eBay, and you see here eBay reviews. So let's create a widget. Right here you can choose between carousel, normal reviews, slider, grid. I recommend going with like carousel, that's the best one in my opinion, but you can also choose this one or floating batch, up to you. Continue with the template. Then you just simply add here your URL. Then you can change the layout, also the content width, how big it is, the review style. If you want to have like offer picture or no there, style of it, dark even, completely up to you. Then just go to the top right, click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views, go with the basic pro enterprise. Let's copy the code here. In search we did just write HTML, take it, paste it, and paste the code here. And voila, here you got it. So I'm going to preview the changes. And you see it here, it's beautiful, right? So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.